We're really excited to have 5 pill boxes returned with the Crew 8 astronauts. This particular box has been up there for 7 months. Really excited to see all the crystals that we've grown. The base unit of the pill box is the single fluid loop. So we could send you the fluid loop and you can fill it with your chemistry, and then we can put it in our machine and send it to the ISS and grow your crystals. So it was kind of our goal from the beginning. Make it easy for the astronauts, make it easy for the customers, make it repeatable. PIL-04 was an internal investigation to Redwire. We took a lot of the learned lessons from the PIL-02 investigation. So the more loops we can fly, the more data we can get, the better we can understand these crystals and how they operate differently in space. And with that knowledge, we can potentially create better drugs that could be more beneficial to people down here on Earth. So this is a lysozyme crystal. So this is definitely evidence that we had successful crystal formation on our PIL-BOX hardware in space. It is personally fulfilling being a part of this project. Being able to send hardware is cool, but being able to send hardware that I think has an actual potential benefit it just takes it to the next level.